Hey there, this is Ed Wayne, and I'd like to do a Johnny Cash song for you today. This is a song that Johnny Cash wrote, and it's not very well known. Johnny passed away back in 2003 on September the 12th, which happens to be September 12th today. So I thought I'd honor and recognize him today with this song. Feel free to share the video. Boxcar's been my home since San Antone. 'Cause this ankle of mine I turn while hopping on. Shoots pain, feeds my dreams with luxury. I see crystal chandeliers in Burgundy. Well, I can feel my mother's heartbeat from the track, and it's the rhythm of a boy that won't be back. Lord knows where my mind is taking me. I see crystal chandeliers in Burgundy. If that conductor only knew all the trouble I've been through, to be here on this train once again. The freedom of a hobo ain't so bad. You can dream of all the wealth you might have had. Lord knows where my mind is taking me. I see crystal chandeliers in Burgundy. If that conductor only knew all the trouble I've been through, to be here on this train once again. And if there's nothing in this world I've gotta do but to ride these rails of steel my whole life through, then take away these visions that I see of crystal chandeliers in Burgundy, of crystal chandeliers in Burgundy, of crystal chandeliers, Burgundy. Thank you so much. November 3rd, we've got a CD release coming. Mark your calendars. Have a great night.